Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube stuck on processing videos. So while some creators speculate that YouTube might be experiencing server issues, YouTube has not yet acknowledged the issue. So if you are experiencing this problem, there are few things you can do to fix it. So the first one is to remove special characters from file name. First, ensure that the file name does not contain any special characters or symbol. So try removing spaces and underscores. And then next, change the video format to preferred .mp4 and the codec is H.264 with an AAC or MP3 audio codec. And then ensure that the video is not larger than 4 gigabytes and that the solution is not higher than 1080p. And then the next one is to check connection and wait for long videos. So it is important to note that uploading times vary depending on your file size, internet bandwidth, and upload traffic. So if your upload seems stuck or is taking a long time, it may be due to file type and size, slow internet connection, heavy upload traffic, or the video's quality. Because higher quality videos take longer to upload, with 4K videos taking longer than 1080p videos. And then next, finish uploading again. So if you're experiencing any of these issues, let your video finish uploading to YouTube. So if you had to quit your upload for any reason, you have up to 24 hours to continue uploading where you left off. So return to your youtube.com/upload and then select the same file from your computer to continue. Next one is to reopen the video processing. If your video is stuck on the processing will begin shortly, one of the best solutions is to open another tab and go to your channel and then go to your creator studio and then click on the videos. And then click on the video that is currently in the ongoing process or the video that is stuck. From here, you can try to edit the video and see if it triggers the processing to begin. So by following the tips mentioned, you can ensure that your video uploads smoothly and efficiently, and you can continue to provide content to your audience. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, just make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of the day.